Let's talk more about filters for a particular variable. Alright, we again focus on this population CO2 GDP overview report, and in particular this 2010 population by country variable. Alright, so you can see here China and India are kind of outliers in terms of population. Okay, their bars are just very long compared with the rest of the world, so you may want to exclude them. How to do that? Okay, you can move your mouse to hover on the China bar and right click. Okay, right click and choose the exclude option. Now the China bar is gone. You do the same for India. Right click the India bar and choose exclude. Now these two largest countries with the largest population are gone. Okay, we have the rest of the world shown in this graph. And if you go to the filters pane, you can see there's additional filter here that's called excluded. Two countries are excluded here. You can click on this arrow and expand the list, and you can see in particular what countries are excluded. And sometimes you want to focus on a small group of countries here. So instead of the whole list of the countries shown in this graph, we may just want to focus on a few. So let's do that here. How to do that? We can highlight those countries first. Alright, so let's go down the list. Let's choose Nepal. Alright, then hold the Control key and choose Peru, Malaysia, Uzbekistan, Venezuela, and Saudi Arabia. Alright, so those 6 countries are selected, are highlighted. Now move your mouse and you can hover over any of those highlighted countries, and then right click your mouse and choose include. So now the graph only shows the 6 countries you highlighted and included. Alright, and in the filters pane again you can see there's an additional filter which shows that there's 6 countries being included in this graph. Others are not shown anymore. And you can expand this list and you see all the countries here. So how about we don't want to see Peru anymore, so we can actually cross Peru out. So just click on this delete button. This looks like a small cross, okay? And you can delete Peru from the list. Now there's only 5 countries shown here. You can delete someone else from the list as well. How about Saudi Arabia? Okay, delete it. Now there's only 4 countries shown on this bar chart. You can clear this include filter by just click on this cross. This cross will remove this entire included filter. Okay, so if you click on this cross, that filter is gone. So now we only have this excluded filter. We only exclude China and India. All the rest of the countries are still shown on this graph. Alright. So you can still include China and India in the graph. So if you want to, for example, you do not want to exclude India anymore, you just cross India out from this list. By clicking here, India is crossed out. Now India is restored in the bar chart. Now if you don't want the excluded filter anymore, just again click on this cross. That's this entire excluded filter is gonna be gone. Alright, just click on this and there's no more excluded countries filter. So now we restore everything back to normal, to the original. Okay, every country is included in this bar chart.